In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey, how you doing? How was that? Quick change there. Good. I have all these different sources in OBS. That's how I switch through all this stuff and actually see you guys and everything like that. But yes, it is beautiful outside this morning. Can't you see? Oh, did you see what I did there? Marshall Tucker Band, last chance to get tickets. Well, not your last chance. You can get them right up until the door. I guess the door's open there out at that new event center at the Coliseum. You can get out there and check out the Marshall Tucker Band. That is March 21st. What is that? 2 days from now? Let me see, make sure I'm not saying the wrong thing. No, 1 day. My goodness, it's Friday. So that is tomorrow, Friday. Get your tickets. Get out there to the Laborde Earls Entertainment Center and check things out. Natchitoches looking beautiful right now. We have nothing going on. We have blue skies again. That's good. We had dust again yesterday. And that Texas dust that comes in, and why we're seeing this is we had a couple of really strong storm systems. The one yesterday didn't get as much fanfare. We didn't have quite as many tornadoes or anything like that, but that was a really strong system to our north that pulls in all that dry air, that dust out of Texas and New Mexico, and just spread it right on through the Great Lakes. So we had those hazy looking skies out there. We do not anymore. So that dust is gone. It wasn't pollen. We have plenty of that left over. Don't you worry about that. But looking out there at Sibley Lake right now, things are looking good. Alexandria, crystal blue skies this morning. Tonight, we are going to see temperatures drop down into the probably the mid 30s. I think someone can get off the get down to the low 30s out of this one. So we could possibly see some more freeze out of this, a little more frost, maybe a freeze in some spots. People keep sending me messages and asking about planting. I think after this one, I think we're good to go because it looks like it stays warm. Typical last freeze here is around March 6th to the 10th. So if we do possibly get to 32 tonight, outside chance of that. After that, we see a lot of warmer air. So it's really tough to get those freezes down here into the middle of April. And that is the hope that I have right now. Looks beautiful out there this morning. And obviously radar is going to be totally clean. We did have some frost and freeze advisories out to the east for Mississippi and Alabama, or we do, I should say. That's for Friday morning into Georgia as well. That's where I think we get a little bit cooler air. It's going to be cool out there tonight. Maybe if you have a little firewood to burn, tonight could be the night because I don't think we need that again until like late November or something like that, maybe December. 49 degrees, your temperature out there as of the last check at 9 o'clock. The big story today is going to be that it's cooler, it's drier, and we have fire danger. We'll talk about that in a second. 18 degrees cooler than we were yesterday at this point. And those winds from the northwest, this is one contributing factor to the fire danger and why we have red flag warnings in place for parts of the area. Wind gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour. Yes, we have been seeing rainfall, but the fuel is in place to where if we have a misplaced spark or flame out there, we could get some problems. And the thing with today is when it's this dry and you have dew points in the 20s, you have wind kicking up like that, and temperatures are going to be up in the up in the 60s, low 70s, things like that. When that happens, you can see these fires spread quickly and easily. So we have the red flag warning in place across the southern half of the area. Vernon, Rapides, Avoyelles, Beauregards, St. Landry, Allen, and Evangeline Parish. You're all under the the red flag warning, the fire alert, however you want to put it. Just be careful. Common sense time. Don't go out and let sparks fly everywhere. Mid 60s, upper 60s. Someone could touch 70 down south today. Lots of sunshine in your forecast, again, with very, very dry air. So let's take a look at the GFS model because we still have our severe threat to deal with on Sunday. We have that one system going on by. Big time blizzard up to the north yesterday. Hastings, Nebraska. My friend Tim, who does what I do, he was out chasing in this. He was chasing the blizzard. 71 mile per hour wind gust recorded. He was still without power 12 hours later, all with like 6 inches of snow too. So that system, that gets out of here. We have some scattered showers possible Sunday, but the timing on this is still a little iffy. We're going to see that moisture come into this, then the front settles in, and this could be a no sleep for Nick night. We'll see. Sunday night into Monday morning now, that's when I think we could see these showers and storms coming through. We'll have to watch that closely on the timing, and yes, we still have the severe threat out there as well. So that's what we're going to be watching for the weekend. There's your severe outlook for Sunday, and now the whole area. I mean, right down to Holly Beach, over to Baton Rouge, Lafayette. We're all in that 15% risk, which equates to a slight risk. Tomorrow we get to that day 3 outlook, and we'll see if they're calling for anything significant. I don't think they will. I think this is going to be a fairly run-of-the-mill event. you get a few severe storms, could be a problem anyway. But this is not one that I want to sound the alarm on as, hey, this is the next big thing where we're going to get this widespread outbreak of tornadoes. I don't see that in the cards for this one, and I do not think we'll have complaints. Half an inch to an inch of rain, maybe someone ends up with a couple inches out of this one, and your 7-day forecast shows good chances for rain on Sunday. We'll have to bump those rain chances on Monday if it looks like this is slowing down a bit, but right now we have a 30% chance for those morning showers. There's that 35-degree low tomorrow. Someone's going to get some frost out of that. 45 on Saturday morning. Temperatures coming back to more springtime levels here, 70s and 80s right on through next week. And then it looks like we stay warm as we head into April. Look out for April Fool's Day, pranksters. It is going to be warm. I think we avoid the storms on that day, but I think we could see some storms rolling in a little bit after that. So we're going to be watching things very closely as this is like peak severe season for us. We have that threat on Sunday. And then I think as we get into the next weekend, that's how we do it. This time of year, we get the severe threats over the weekend. It doesn't do anything during the week. It's Saturday and Sunday, crawfish boil days. That's when we get the showers and storms out there. All righty. I think that's about it. No severe. I know, I'm trying. I don't want to bring the severe weather. I just want to be here when it happens so I can talk to you about it. Happy spring, Mama. How you doing? Mom, we sent you a present yesterday, and we just got a notification that it was damaged in sending. And you might be able to surmise what that present was if you watched yesterday. But we're going to get that sent out to you again. We're going to get you the initial of these. And yeah, you'll figure it out. I'll call you later. But anyway, looking like we are pretty good to go here as we get past Sunday. We have several more days of calm, tranquil weather. So that is some good news for you. And I think that's it for today. All right, I'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a wonderful Thursday. We're closing in on the weekend, and I'm pretty ready for it.